Hey, welcome back. This is a video about 3D shapes. Watch it till the end. We will be learning the names of 3D shapes. Now, what is 3D shapes? It means three-dimensional shapes. Our topic of discussion, we will be discussing about cube, cylinder, sphere, prism, pyramid. 3D shapes can be solid or hollow. They have 3 dimensions. They are length, width, and height. You can see them in these pictures. Some technical terms to address 3D shapes. Technical, mathematical terms that they are surface, face, base, edge, corner, vertex, or vertices in plural form. About surface, the curved part of a 3D shape. For example, cylinder and cone. Face, what about face? It is a part of a 3D shape that is flat. A base, the bottom face of a 3D object, like in these pictures. Edge, it's a line where two faces meet on a 3D object. For example, this has 6 edges and this one has 5 edges. Corner, the point where 3 or more edges touch. For instance, this cube has 12 corners altogether. Vertex, in singular form or vertices. The point where 3 or more edges meet. This cube has 12 vertices altogether. What is cube? It's a 3-dimensional shape which has 6 faces, all are of the same size, 12 edges, 8 corners or vertex. Next is cylinder, a 3-dimensional shape which has 2 faces, 1 surface, 0 edges, it has no edges, and 0 corners too, or 0 vertices. Next one is sphere, a 3-dimensional shape which has 0 faces, 1 surface, 0 edges, 0 corner, and 0 vertex. It has nothing but 1 surface. Prism, there are different types of prisms and they are based on the shape of its bases. There are types like rectangular prisms, square prisms, triangular prisms, and hexagonal prisms. Pyramids. There are different types of pyramid as well, and they are based on the shape of its bases. They have 1 base, they have triangular side faces that meet at 1 vertex. For example, square pyramid, triangular pyramid, rectangular pyramid, and etc. In the picture below, you can see a square pyramid. Square pyramid. It's a 3-dimensional shape. It has 5 faces, 1 square and 4 triangles, 8 edges, and 5 vertices. Rectangular pyramid, 3-dimensional shape, which has 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 corners. Let's talk and compare prism and pyramid. Prism, at least 3 faces that are rectangles, but in pyramid, at least 3 faces that are triangles. In prisms, 2 congruent faces on top and bottom called bases, but pyramid has 1 base. In prisms, the shape of the base determines what type of prism the figure is. In pyramid, the shape of the base determines what type of prism the figure is. What about cuboid? It has 6 faces, which are all rectangles. 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Some examples from real life for cuboid are microwave, a cell phone, a book, a box, or a skyscraper. Let's give some example for cube as well from real life, like a sugar box to a Rubik's cube. These are cones from real life, some element of a plane, a New Year tree, a birthday hat, or a cone of ice cream. What about cylinder? Maybe a can of Coca-Cola, or a candle, a glue, or a lipstick. Sphere is the easy one, a ball, our planet, mandarin or tangerine, and other toys, balls. Prism, these are prisms. Different packages of things in the form of a prism. Pyramid. Quiz time. Let's play naming the shapes. What shape am I? I have no flat faces, I have no straight edges, and I have just one curved face. I am? Think about it. I am a sphere. The next one, I have 6 flat square faces, I have 12 straight edges, and I have 8 corners. What is it? I am a cube. Think about this one. I have 1 curved face. I have 2 flat circular faces. That is a cylinder. How many edges does a square pyramid have? Square pyramid has 8 edges. How many faces of a cube are squares? 6 faces of a cube are squares.